The ones that have it are probably saying right now, yes, I have such an issue about this. What is it that I can do? Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome back. So today I'm going to talk to you about an issue that I hear all the time. It's about oily scalp. The reason that it happens is because your oil glands are overactive, just like if you would get oily skin in your face. It's the same thing for your scalp. It could be that your hormones are changing, you had some certain kind of medication. I mean, there's an array of different reasons why this happens, or it starts happening sometimes later on in life. It's different for everybody. It makes the scalp itchy. It makes you want to shampoo your hair every day most of the time. It makes your hair and the scalp look very shiny. It looks flat and it doesn't have volume, and it makes it flaky. So most of you tend to use shampoos and conditioners, or not use a conditioner and use shampoos for dandruff. But a lot of those shampoos strip the hair. It will strip your color. It will damage your highlights that they can break off. Yes, that's what a shampoo can do. And it can make your curly hair very frizzy. Why? Because it's designed to absorb and to break down the oils, but it's not designed for your hair. People tend to not use a conditioner because then it makes the scalp oily and flat. And some of my customers will talk about that. Sometimes the scalp even smells a little bit. So you don't use conditioners, and that adds as well to your curly hair getting frizzy and your curl not being defined. That adds again to your color not to look shiny. It will look dull, and for your highlights or your blonde hair to break, and it's just your hair becomes unmanageable. So what is it that you can do? Number one, you have to do research with your hairdresser on what shampoo and conditioner to use, because you must use a conditioner. To start with, the shampoo, I would not recommend a shampoo from the store because those shampoos are very strong. They strip the hair. They do work for the scalp, but then you're gonna wanna get something to counteract what it's done to your hair, and then you're going just back and forth every 4 to 6 months changing shampoos because you don't know what to do. So very important, you have to use a shampoo that the pH is not as high, and your hairdresser should know because they do your hair. If not, the Lorenzo works very well for oily scalp. Again, the conditioner you must use, and you would use it from mid-length to ends. You wouldn't put it in your scalp, because if you do, what happens is it's going to make it oily. And 3, you use a toner in your scalp, which is what I have here. What does the toner do? Again, it balances your oil glands and it stops them from being overactive, because that's what it is. They're very overactive, and then if you shampoo every day, they are even more. So you're in that catch-22, because if you don't shampoo it every day, you have an issue. So the toner helps for you to put it every day if you need be, every night. I recommend it usually at night because that's when your body's relaxed and it absorbs the ingredients better, and it balances your scalp so that way it's not so oily. It's very liquidy, extremely liquidy, and it fades really fast. It's so soothing for the scalp. It really is. It's not oily, it's not gummy, and your scalp, your skin, it really absorbs it so fast, which is what you want, because that means that the ingredients that are going to regulate penetrate right away, which means that it works a lot sooner. Now, how soon will you see the result depends on how severe your situation is with your oiliness. It can be from 4 to 6 weeks. I've seen results a lot sooner than that, but the company does give it like 4 to 6 weeks. Now, is it a cure? No, it's not. This helps it to balance it, so that way you don't have to shampoo every day. Or the day that you decide you don't shampoo, you put it directly in your scalp and you massage it in your scalp, and then it helps it balance, so that way it doesn't feel so oily. And what you would do, I'm gonna go back because there's a mirror right here, and you would just section, I'll use it in this section right here, and you just apply. Very little. You don't need to put a lot. A lot doesn't mean that it's better. A lot just means that you're throwing product away. So you apply it and then you massage it. And that's how you do. You section and apply, section and apply. If you try to apply it in your fingertips, you're gonna throw a lot of product away to, you know, put it in your scalp. If you try to put it in your palm to go ahead and dab and put it in your scalp, you're gonna throw a lot of product away. Please don't share it with anybody. I'm telling you, if you use this, you're just gonna love it, and you're gonna love it more when you see the results and you see that your scalp doesn't get so oily. I hope you liked this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember that shiny hair, well, in this company they would say, remember that a healthy scalp is healthy hair, and healthy hair is shiny hair. Take care, ciao.